Here's a trap. If you try calculating a running total with group BY, you'll get completely wrong results. Let's see the right way to do it. First, understand the difference. A regular aggregate with group BY collapses rows into one summary per group, but a window function keeps every row and adds a calculated column. For running totals, we need sum as a window function, not an aggregate. The key is the over clause, which transforms sum from a collapsing aggregate into a row-by-row calculator. Next, the partitioned BY clause. This tells SQL to reset the running total for each customer. Without it, you'd get one running total across all customers, which defeats the purpose. Think of partitioned BY as creating separate calculation windows, one per customer. Each customer gets their own independent running total that starts at 0. The order BY clause inside over defines the sequence. You must order by a date or timestamp column so SQL knows which row comes first, second, third, and so on. Without order BY, the running total is meaningless because there's no defined order to accumulate values. Here's the complete syntax. Sum of amount, over with partitioned BY customer underscore ID and order BY order underscore date. By default, this uses a window frame from unbounded preceding to current row, meaning it sums all rows from the start of the partition up to the current row. You can make this explicit with rows between mob and deed preceding a current row, but it's optional since that's the default behavior. Remember, sum as a window function with partitioned BY customer and order BY date inside over. That's your running total query. Practice this pattern and you'll nail the interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.